The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my Dans and Danettes. Just some things I want to talk to you about, and I have at least one video that I'm going to present to you. Now, first things first, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person attempted to steal an item from a store that is located somewhere out there in the world. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. The video shows when a man went inside of a store and took up an item, and somehow the item fell from the person. See? Now the item is a bottle that contains some form of liquid, and when the item fell from the person, the bottle break and the liquid spill on the ground. The video shows when the person somehow slipped and fell to the ground because of the liquid that was on the ground. Viewers and subscribers, some persons on social media found the video to be funny, viewers and subscribers, and one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Alright, so you can take a look at the video and tell me if you think this video is funny or not. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me. Look what I go on this up. Look. You see that? Thou shalt not steal. Yes, thou shalt not steal. Yeah, man. It's a big thing that. It's a common knowledge in my point of view. Yeah, man. And some look upon it, my people. Anyways, my people, so I move on to another topic. Now, I saw a video posted on social media that shows a man hitting a man repeatedly while the man was on the ground. And I did some research about the video, viewers and subscribers, and I got information that a man who goes by the name of Raheem Williams, who is said to be a member of the Belize Defense Force, had been arrested and charged by the police within the country that is known as Belize for the murder of a man who goes by the name of Estevan Baiza. Yes, Estevan Baiza. You see, I got information that Williams and Baiza had an altercation over a lifetime of viewers and subscribers. The situation escalated to a point where one person had been injured and taken to hospital and later on succumbed to his injuries. Now, viewers and subscribers, when I got the information about that video, I said to myself, one lighter. Cause all of that fam. Anyways, I'm going to read some words from a news article, right? Not every words from the news article, but some, and I might not read exactly word for word from the news article, but me I try to get a better understanding about the situation. See? So, this news article said that a BDF soldier, that means Belize Defense Force soldier, accused of beating a man to death, has been arrested and charged for his murder. Now, the news article said that the deceased goes by the name of Estevan Baiza. The news article said that Baiza is in his 30s. And the news article said that Baiza was getting some food on Friday night. That would be the 1st of April, the year 2022. See? And the news article said that while Baiza was getting some food on Friday night, when Private Raheem Williams reportedly asked Baiza to borrow a lighter, You hear me I say? Now, the news article said that the allegation is that their interactions escalated until Williams attacked Baiza. See, the news article said that an eyewitness captured the vicious beatdown on camera and the stunned passers-by who tried to help afterwards. That means after the beatdown. So, me some people, I mean, you hear me, some people, like this is really and truly bad. One lighter. See? Yeah. So I also read a news article that gave me the understanding that the Belize Defense Force send condolences to the family of Baiza and also talked about the person who goes by the name of Raheem Williams. I also saw a video that shows the mother of the deceased talking about her son. Now, according to more information that I got about the situation, it is said that after the whole beating incident, Baiza was taken to a hospital and he succumbed to his injuries, viewers and subscribers. You understand? See, so we just make you know about that situation, make you know what going. Big up and respect to all my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Belize. And so I say, and it's really sad to hear about a situation like this. You see me? One lighter trigger something that escalated to a point where someone lost his life. You tell me if that makes sense. Because to me that don't make no sense. One lighter. I tell you. I tell them people. Anyways, next topic. Now I saw a video posted on social media that had been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I don't know when the video had been recorded. The video shows when a police officer from within the country of Jamaica pulled a gun and pointed the gun in the direction of a motor vehicle, and the motor vehicle is said to be a taxi. Allegedly, it is said that the police officer was pointing the gun at a person who was inside the motor vehicle that is said to be a taxi. In the video, I heard when a certain amount of persons said certain things that makes me wonder why those persons said those things, seeing that a police officer was pointing a gun in someone's direction. Now, I'm going to present just piece of the entire video to you so that you can have a better understanding about the whole situation, and you can also let me know what I think about the whole situation as well. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Easy.
Listen. Why those persons said those things and she said that the police are pointing a gun in the direction of someone? When somebody will lamp on a gun, don't even bet that person. Now, I kind of understand what those persons might be saying, because I'm not sure where a person might think when a person say a thing. You see me I say? But misunderstanding is another thing again. You see? You know bet nobody when them will lamp on gun and ready for or them even pointed. You know bet persons with no gun, as some look like. Anyways, let me know what you think about that video. And please bear in mind that's just piece of an entire video that I saw on social media. Alright? Next topic. Anyways, now on another topic now, viewers and subscribers, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica was at the scene of where human remains was found at a place that is known as Zambia in Central Village, that's within the parish that is known as St. Catherine, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica, on the 7th of April year 2022. See, so according to information that I got information that human remains was found wrapped in plastic residents within that area say they have been smelling an odor for the past 2 days and notified the police on the 7th of April, the year 2022. See? Yeah, there are certain details about this whole thing I don't even really want to talk about here, viewers and subscribers, but according to information that I got, see, it is said that a funeral home removed the remains and certain things that happened. You see me I say? Yeah, it is said that the police believe that the person had been killed elsewhere and the body had been dumped at that location. All right, but anyways, so I also got information that on the same day, law enforcers within the country of Jamaica were called to the coastline near Michael Manley Boulevard in Kingston, Jamaica, where the body of a male had been fished from the sea by the Coast Guard. So the information that I got is that the body was wrapped in sheet with duct tape around the face. Yeah, it is said that a rope was tied on the body, the unidentified body, and law enforcers within the country of Jamaica, our investigators, are doing their investigation about this whole situation. People, it's really sad to hear and have understandings about some things that happen and are happening within the country of Jamaica. But I just want to know what go on. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.